Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Banjo 5-string beginner pack, the Mulucky 26-inch travel banjo. Whether you're brand new to banjos or looking for a portable travel option, this one is packed with everything you need to get started. Let's talk about first impressions. The Mulucky Mini Banjo is a 5-string model, and it arrives as a full beginner's kit. Straight out of the box, you get the banjo itself, a padded gig bag, extra strings, picks, and a strap. That's a lot of value bundled into one compact package, especially for those just dipping their toes into the bluegrass world. Now, build quality. The body of the banjo is crafted from Sapele, a hardwood known for its rich resonance and durability. This gives the instrument a warm, balanced tone that's perfect for beginners who are learning to develop their musical ear. The closed solid back design doesn't just look sleek, it helps project sound forward, enhancing volume and clarity. That's ideal for practicing indoors or jamming with friends around a campfire. The neck is slim and smooth, which makes fretting easy even for smaller hands. The tuning pegs are stable and responsive, holding the strings in tune through long sessions. That's important, especially when you're just starting and still developing the habit of checking your tuning frequently. You won't be fighting with this banjo to stay in key. Portability is one of the standout features of this 26-inch travel banjo. It's smaller and lighter than a full-size banjo, making it perfect for road trips, hikes, or just tossing in the car. The included gig bag adds a layer of protection and has enough padding to keep your instrument safe during travel. Sound-wise, this banjo delivers more than you'd expect for its size and price. It's punchy and bright without being tinny. Whether you're picking rolls, doing clawhammer, or just strumming chords, it responds well to various playing styles. It's got enough tone to grow with you as you learn, but it's also forgiving enough to make learning enjoyable. Setup out of the box is pretty decent. You may need to adjust the bridge position or fine-tune the action slightly, but for most beginners, it's playable right away. The strings included are decent for learning, and you can always upgrade them later once you get a feel for your preferred tone and tension. One thing that deserves a shout-out is the value of the bundle. The strap, gig bag, and picks mean you don't have to run out and buy extras separately. Everything's coordinated and designed to get you playing immediately. It's clear that Mulucky had beginner musicians in mind when putting this kit together. If you're a beginner looking to get into banjo playing, or even someone experienced who wants a smaller travel companion, this is a kit worth considering. It's affordable, well-built, portable, and includes all the accessories you need to hit the ground running. That's our take on the Mulucky 26-inch 5-string travel banjo. It's not just a starter instrument, it's a serious contender for the best beginner banjo package on the market right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews of beginner instruments, musical gear, and everything in between. See you in the next video.